Thank you for joining us here today for what I think is one of the most significant days in terms of Scottish industry.
I think maximising the offshore opportunity for Scotland is what this day is all about. Today we're proud to be making a £15 million investment in this facility. That makes SSE the #1 funder from the UK in this consortium. We're pleased to be putting our money where our mouth is in terms of support of that Scottish supply chain, and we also look forward to doing so in the future again with other investments.
Well, simply put, if it wasn't for SSE, we wouldn't be standing here today. They're a customer, they're providing a lot of advice, both technical and commercial, and the access that we've had to senior management to help us make good decisions has been unparalleled, so we owe a lot to them. Well, we look forward to supporting SSE in all their future endeavours with respect to developing both fixed and floating offshore wind in the United Kingdom. So from our perspective, we'd like to see more orders. More orders simply means more commercial opportunity for global energy, for the Highlands, and of course more employment for the wider region.
We've had a great partner up here in Global. We've done a lot of work at the NIG area in terms of first Beatrice, currently Sea Green. I think it's important for the entire industry within Scotland as well that we have more indigenous manufacturing facilities, and in a couple of years' time we'll have a factory capable of building world-class structures and towers to support the offshore industry, not only in Scotland but around all of UK and indeed wider parts of Europe as well.
I think SSE's contribution is commendable and exemplary. You know, SSE Renewables as a developer of renewable energy is showing, I think, real responsibility and real commitment to the Scottish economy by making sure it supports developments like this, because this is key to ensuring that we are capturing all of the economic and supply chain benefits of our massive offshore wind resources, and also helping to make the transition from fossil fuels to renewables a just one. So I have real admiration for, but also appreciation of the massive contribution that SSE is making to this development.